As you can see, this plant, let me actually go around here so you can see how much it's been growing. It's been growing all along the edge here, all the way down. So today is September 19th, and we're actually going to go ahead and harvest this. So
they're just starting to turn yellow, the leaves. I mean, they say 120 days, or when the leaves all turn yellow, and I mean, as you can see, some of the leaves are still real green, but
some are starting to turn.
Yeah.
So since it's been 150 days, we figured we'd go ahead and start pulling.
Well, plus you noticed today, these guys starting to pop through.
Yeah.
So we ended up doing 6 slits in a 15-gallon grow bag. So now it's time for me to cut away all these vines, and let's see what we ended up with. Also, for watering, you'll see the tube right here. This was going on, well, there you go, Mr. Frog too. Tube was going every other day for 1 hour. So just FYI, that worked for us here. Oh, that didn't just pull out, it was supposed to. Oh my Lord, wow. Hopefully that's a good sign.
How big was that bucket, the grow bag? 15 gallon grow bag?
Yeah.
Honestly, I think that has...
It's held up very well. Comes the other one. Holy crumb. Here's another slit right here we're about to open up. That's cool.
Okay, here's what the bag looks like afterwards. Looks like that I have one root that's grew out in this little spot.
Yeah, there's another one over there.
2 roots right there.
But all in all, this bag held up great.
So,
I mean, this bag has been outside for...
but it's still intact.
Yeah. Definitely.
Yep.
We'll do this method next year.
Yeah. Check that out. Cool.
Just pulling back the vines. There. Look, you want, oh, here you go. Little guys.
Oh, look at, as you're pulling it up, right there.
Oh yeah. Another one.
Holy cow. Look at that.
Wait, I don't think we'll hit anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Keep going. Right.
Wait.
Right there.
This?
Yep.
Oh, smokes, look at that.
Holy cow.
Oh, this one got bit, but
that's okay.
that's crazy. That's wild.
There's banana peppers in there. Keep rolling. You'll see underneath.
Oh.
Look at them. It got all twisted up in there.
This is freaking crazy.
Wow. Okay, Keith started with 2 sweet potatoes about this size. One produced 6 slits, and
Yep.
one produced nothing.
Nothing.
So he
Yep.
took the one sweet potato And this is what produced from that one sweet potato. 19.2 pounds.
That's awesome.
Alright, so we brought the sweet potatoes out to the garage and we put them into 4 buckets so that they can dry out and cure.
Absolutely awesome.
That was a good harvest. We are definitely doing sweet potatoes again next year. So this is what it's going to look like before.